2026 is making one thing clear: the future isn't just coming, it's shrinking, getting sharper, and packing more power into every pocket-sized device. And the craziest part is that these tiny devices are replacing bigger tech in ways nobody expected. So in this video, we are looking at 7 tiny gadgets created in 2026 that feel straight out of the future. When most people imagine futuristic technology, they think of giant robots, flying cars, or huge machines. But the real revolution is happening in tiny devices. Small gadgets are becoming more useful, more personal, and easier to carry everywhere. They save space, save time, and make everyday life smarter. Let's check out some of the most incredible tiny gadgets released in 2026. 1. Smart contact lenses. Imagine checking directions, messages, or digital information without pulling out your phone. That is exactly what smart contact lenses are aiming to do. These tiny lenses can place useful information directly in front of your eyes. It feels like science fiction, but this kind of technology is getting closer to reality. A device this small could completely change how we use screens forever. 2. Sweat tracker patch. This gadget may look simple, but it is incredibly smart. The sweat tracker patch sticks to your skin and monitors health data in real time. It can track hydration, fitness levels, and body signals through sweat. That means no bulky devices, no uncomfortable wearables, just a tiny patch doing serious work. 3. Pebble Smart Ring. At first glance, it looks like an ordinary ring. But hidden inside is powerful smart technology. It can monitor your sleep, track your health, count your steps, and even send notifications. It gives you many smartwatch features without needing a watch on your wrist. Small, stylish, and very futuristic. 4. Luki L1. This tiny AI pin can clip onto your clothes and act like a personal assistant. It can hear your voice, respond to commands, and help with tasks instantly. It is one of those gadgets that shows how AI is moving beyond phones and becoming wearable. Tiny size, but big potential. 5. Omi AI Assistant. Omi is another tiny wearable built to make life easier. It can remember information, listen when needed, and help keep you organized throughout the day. Think of it like carrying a personal assistant everywhere you go. For busy people, creators, and professionals, that could be a game changer. 6. Motorola Project Maxwell. This gadget blends fashion with futuristic technology. Designed like a smart necklace, it can remember conversations and moments around you. That means it can help you recall important things later without having to write everything down. A wearable memory assistant sounds wild, but that is exactly where tech is heading. 7. Plaud Notepin S. This may be one of the most useful gadgets on the list. The Plaud Notepin S records meetings, conversations, and voice notes, then uses AI to turn them into organized text notes. Perfect for students, workers, business people, or creators. Instead of trying to remember everything, the gadget does the hard work for you. These gadgets prove that the future does not need to be big to be powerful. Sometimes the smartest technology is the smallest. Which one of these tiny devices would you actually use first? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more amazing tech content.